Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create mouse sensitivity for our character. If I press play, here you can see our character just up and down. So we want to set the sensitivity. So just double click on blueprint, and first of all, going to delete these variables. Create a new variable, create a new variable, name it mouse underscore sensitivity x-axis, and also create a variable and name it mouse sensitivity y. Perfect. So select and change its type float, and also float. Just compile, and from here just hold on Alt and delete this, and delete this. Select the mouse input, and from here right click, mouse right click, hold on Shift and create static and type float, and select the float into float, and also make a copy of this and paste it here. From here drag the X sensitivity to here and select the get X and also Y, and get Y. Connect this to this and also this, and just to the value, and also this to this. You can also connect this to upper and lower. It does not create problem. Now select the X, and from here if I change the sensitivity to 5 and also Y sensitivity, just to see the difference, 2, press compile, save. Now press play. Here you can see the Y sensitivity, X sensitivity and Y sensitivity. So you can see the difference. So if I reduce the value to -0.5 and Y to -0.5, now save, compile and press play, you can see the difference. That's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will create the jump functionality for our character. See you in next lecture.